This week on Creating Joy, I'm going to share with you 6 Christmas gifts that you can make last minute. So the first gift that I'm going to show you that I made are these adorable Christmas aprons. So I found some really fun Santa fabric and I made one. They're both the same pattern. The only difference is, so I took this one, I made it normal, and then I took this one and I put some lace that was already ruffled, so I didn't have to ruffle it, and sewed it straight across. And then on the pocket right in the middle, I sewed it on right across, right around the bottom. So, and then at the top, I put some more lace right at the top. So this is a his and hers set that I can give to a couple. So this one has a pocket too. So I'm going to put the link down to my video that teaches how to make these aprons. So look in the description for each of the things I'm going to show, and you'll see how you can make each of these things. So the second item I have is what I call an Advent tree. So I've been making these trees for years, and I take these little safety pins and I pin on 24 pieces of candy, and then I give them to different individuals for Christmas, and then they can just eat one piece of candy each day. So that is also a fun one, and I will put a link in the bottom for the Advent tree. I love making pillowcases, especially at Christmas time. I love the trucks, and I found some plaid to match, and I am actually giving pillowcases to some of my children for Christmas this year. And so this is a really fun and easy gift that you can make to either give as a gift, or if you want to spruce up your room a little bit and make it a little Christmassy, you can do that too. So it works for both things, decorating your room or for a gift for someone. Okay, so I got this pattern and I absolutely love it. This is a cute little mug rug. So if you like to, drink coffee or hot chocolate, you've got a nice little mug rug that you can have, and then you could go to the Dollar Tree, buy a mug, maybe put some hot chocolate in it. You could get some cellophane and wrap it up, and boom, you've got an adorable little gift of a little mug rug along with a little hot chocolate in a cup. So that's a quick little gift that I've done. So the next one I have are gift bags. Who doesn't love a cute little gift bag? My friend Cass Simpson, she made these 2 bags and she gave them to me as a gift. And it was so sweet of her. They're just adorable. These are ones that you could make easily to give to other people and put gifts inside of them, or just to give them as a gift. So with these, you're going to just take fabric, sew it together, leave an opening. You can either leave one opening and thread your string through one side, or you can do like this one, do it through both sides, and then you can pull it through and pull it tight. So you can do it either way. And last but not least, this one actually came from a different YouTuber, and she also has a blog. This is supposed to be a kitty neck warmer, and I'm going to give you a link to her website. This was fun to make. I have some friends that absolutely love cats, so I gave it a try. Her pattern, it just says to put the rice in, and then it just moves back and forth. So I kind of changed it up a bit, and as you can see here, I sewed around the neck so that the rice wouldn't fall down. I sewed along the legs so that if you turned it upside down, the rice wouldn't fall out. And then I put rice in right here and I sewed a line. And you do have to kind of push with your hand to move the rice out of the way when you're sewing. And then I started on this side and I filled in the legs, then I sewed it, filled in the tail, and then I sewed it, and then I filled in this part of the body, I sewed a straight line, and then last but not least, I sewed in where the opening is right here on the back. So I filled that in, and then I sewed right along the edge. So and then I gave it a try. I put it in the microwave for about a minute, and then I just stuck it on my shoulders, and I kind of just leaned back against on my bed, and yeah, it works. It's a nice little neck warmer. So if you have little aches and pains, then you can use that. So this was a lot of fun. It was a different project for me to try on someone else's channel. So thank you to them. And I will put the link down in the description. So these are just fun gifts that you can give. Maybe you have a cat lover, you can give a gift to also. So thank you so much for joining me this week on Creating Joy, and I hope you have a Merry, Merry Christmas.